Hi guys, so it's week number 10 and we're gonna do the grammar rule number 2. On my list of grammar rules that I need to work on, one of them came to mind, and I know a lot of people had done this previously. It is going to be the rule of affect versus effect, and I know everybody has this problem. It's very, very common. So I had some comments written down that I think would definitely help people in the long run in understanding the difference between the two words. So there's a hint that I'm actually going to write down underneath this video to help you guys out. So if it's something you're going to do, you're going to use affect. If it's something you've already done, it's effect. I'll get more examples as we go along. I just want to put that hint out so everybody's aware. So you think of effect also means end result. So again, I'm going to write the rule down underneath this video, but affect means influence. So A affect equals action A. That's how I think of it. A affect action. As well as effect. Effect means bring about. So effect equals end result. So EE, effect, end result. Again, this is going to be listed on the bottom, so you don't have to remember. Some examples of affect used in a sentence. The strike affected the nation's economy. So affected, meaning it influenced the economy. It brought about action. Affect action. So the strike affected the nation's economy. So that means that worked for that rule. Another example would be imagination affects every aspect of our lives. So again, affects, you think influence or action, AA, and it means it influenced every aspect of our life. So again, that rule applies. So affect would be proper word for those sentences. Some sentences for effect that are correct are, this medicine has no effects. Okay, so end result, you're thinking EE, effect, end result. The medicine has no side effects. So the end result meaning there's no side effects. So that would apply. Another sentence I've made up. The effects of the medicine were wearing off. So again, end result, EE, effect, end result. End result would be that the medicine is wearing off. So again, that would also apply to this rule. So as I was doing the research for this rule, I actually stumbled upon some weird circumstances where the rule wouldn't apply, and I wanted to kind of put it out there. I know it confused some people, but I wanted to put it out there and make sure that you do know that the rule isn't always accurate, but most of the time it is. So a sentence I found where this circumstance applies is, she displayed a happy affect. Okay, that's one of the weird ones. It's an influence, but it's also it's very weird. Another one I found, the president hoped this new program would effect change. Effect meaning end result. So it kind of works, but it also doesn't, because you want to affect change, not effect change. But again, for some reason that worked with this sentence. The last sentence I had, Andy effected his escape from prison with a rock hammer. Again, these are sentences I found online that kind of go against the rule that I'm trying to explain, but it does apply. So make sure when you're using these words, you do think of affect equals action, AA, or effect equals end result, EE. But also know that not not every time is going to apply to this rule. So make sure you still are aware of what sounds correct. But otherwise, I hope this helped. Again, I will put everything I explained about under this video so you could take notes instead of listening to me. But I hope this helps. Thanks for listening.